Welcome back to Drawpedia tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Samurott from Pokemon Sword and Shield. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So first of all, I'm gonna draw the headpiece. So I'm gonna start with drawing a curved line right at that point, and I'm gonna extend that line with a diagonal line out. And at that point I'm gonna draw a triangular shape, and I'm gonna go back and continue the line out all the way to the tip, and I'm gonna make a sharp turn back at the lower point. And at this point I'm gonna draw a triangular shape downwards, and we're back with the line back in towards the headpiece. So on this side I'm gonna draw another curved line for the left side of the base. Now on the side of that spike I'm gonna draw a curved line at the lower point and at the upper point right here, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn at this part right here, and then going back to the front I'm going to draw a curved line to the right, and then a diagonal turn down to the right, and then below the head I'm going to draw a line down from this point and turn it diagonally to the front of his snout, and a semicircle turn at the tip. And I'm gonna extend it back to the right side. And from this point right here I'm gonna draw a curved line to the right and slightly upwards towards the tip of the mustache, and from the same point I'm gonna draw a curved line out at this lower point right here, and we're gonna make a sharp turn to the left, and from the other point sharp turn back down. Now at the side of his face I'm gonna draw a line down from this point and another one right beside it. And for the headpiece I'm gonna draw a semicircle line from this upper point to the right and a triangular shape at that corner. And we're gonna continue the curved line at the back portion right here and to that point. And we're gonna copy the same shape again at this part behind and stop right there. And for the lower part of the mouth I'm gonna draw a curved line down from this point right there, and I'm gonna draw a triangular shape at that corner, and then I'm gonna continue the line with a semicircle turn at the lower point here, back up to the side of the mustache, and a triangular shape at this corner right here. Now for the tongue I'm gonna add a curved line right there. And for the other teeth I'm just gonna add a triangular shape at that corner and another one right there. Now for the nose I'm gonna draw a triangular shape at the tip of the snout here, like that. And on the left side of the face I'm gonna draw the same shape of the mustache with a curved line out. Now for his eye, I'm gonna draw a semicircle turn at this corner, extend it diagonally up to the right, and below that a line at this inner corner and a diagonal line at the lower line of the eye right there. And inside of the eye I'm gonna add an oval shape at that point and a small dot in the middle. Now, going back to the lower part of his mouth, I'm gonna take this point and draw a semicircle line and turn it upwards to that point. And for his beard, I'm gonna draw from the side of the mustache on the right here a curved line out and a sharp turn back to the left and down. I'm gonna draw another spiky shape at that corner, turn it back to the left right there, and another one at this point and to the lower point of the mouth. And at this corner I'm gonna draw a curved line down, sharp turn back up, and then I'm gonna copy the same shape, a smaller one at the side right there. Now going back to the headpiece, I'm gonna add a curved line at this point right here. Now below the beard, I'm gonna draw a line down on the left side, and on the right side I'm gonna extend it with a curved line to the back right there, and at this point a semicircle line, turn it downwards at the back, and at this point a curved line across and a curved line downwards on both sides. And I'm gonna copy the same shape again at the lower point and another one right there. Below that I'm gonna continue the outer line with a curve and a semicircle turn back up to that point. And for the hooves, I'm gonna add a semicircle line at this point, extend it down to the middle point right there, and a circle line on the right side. Now going back to the front leg, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line diagonally down and turn it outwards at the lower point right there. And I'm gonna extend it out to the hooves or the nails right there. I'm gonna make a sharp turn to the left. Then at this corner I'm gonna add a triangular shape right there, and below that I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line to the right and turn it diagonally up. And then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn at the corner, and then for the other leg I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line down, turn it diagonally to the right and down, and at that corner I'm gonna draw a triangular shape and back to this line all the way to the other hooves, sharp turn up and a semicircle turn to the left and down. And at the sides I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point up and turn it to the left, and a curved line at this corner. So above the legs on the right here, I'm gonna copy the same shape, the scales as the back, the hind leg. The top part would have a triangular shape at the middle point right here, so we're gonna add a triangle shape right there, and the rest is the same shape. And in between the legs the front leg and the hind leg, I'm gonna draw across a curved line, and above that another curved line right there. Between the front legs, I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point to the left and turn it upwards. And then I'm gonna slightly turn it to the right and sharp turn diagonally to the center and back up and down to the side of the front leg on the right. On the left side, on the left leg, I'm gonna draw the scales on the side with a curved line, turn it down, and I'm gonna copy the same shape again at this point, down, and again, and this time I'm gonna turn it down to that point and a curved line at this corner and turn it diagonally back down to the left and a curved line at this point right here. For the tail, I'm gonna draw from the back point of this curved line a line up and a semicircular turn towards the mustache, and from this point I'm going to draw a curved line to the right, turn it down with a curved line and a sharp turn back up, and I'm going to copy the same curved line across at this point, turn it back down with a curved line to the center and turn it downwards. In the middle of the tail, I'm going to draw a curved line right here and a turn back down, and on the sides I'm going to draw a curved line back up and turn it to the sides and a curved line at this corner right here. And we're going to add a few lines for right there below the neck, between the chest, and at the side of the legs here, and we're done. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.